How's it going, everyone? I have another recap for you all. That's right, we caught another winning trade during our live today. I'm going to start off without any my indicator Grizzology on. I want to talk about what I've seen, then I'm going to turn it on to show you how I found our entry, okay? So this is the opening 5-minute candle here. Aggressive sell-off, right? We didn't have a quite enough pullback for me to catch shorts. This candle here came close, but it wasn't quite it, okay? We didn't get the pullback, the RR wasn't there. Then we came down, chopped around. No entry here for me on shorts. A few different reasons. We overextended on the lower time frames. Wasn't pulling back to any key levels. All that good stuff. Now we finally got our entry once we pushed up here. Now let me turn on Grizzology and show you why I like that area. So this is a 15-minute range. It was close to the 50% retracement of that range. But the main reason I waited on this was this point of control, right? This was the highest volume point on this time frame. So basically, it was volume-based resistance, right? So we finally came back up here. I took two entries on this. I added to my position. It was part of our plan. I got in the 90s and I added closer to that point of control. This was a full-size trade and my biggest day of 2026. We got in. Your stop on this could have been a 5-minute close above this point of control, or if we got it back above that pre-market low, it was completely invalid. So a couple different options there. We got into this trade and it did exactly what we wanted. Patience paid. I cannot stress enough how important it is to stay patient. Do not take trades unless you have confirmation at key levels, okay? You got to know your risk. We got a couple trims off, then it came back up and hit our stops deep into profit on this trade. A lot of people did great on this trade. If you have any questions about this trade, or you want to tune into the lives, would love to have you there. You're always welcome. I like to keep these recaps really short and to the point. So if you have any more questions about this, just drop them in the comments or reach out to me on Instagram. You can find all my socials at grizzlytrades.com. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.